Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays. It's the end of 2024, and here is Sheets Wrapped. Sheets Wrapped is like Spotify Wrapped, but for Google Sheets. It's going to tell you what you did this year, how many sheets you created, how many you edited, how many you collaborated with, how many people you collaborated with, and it's going to give you some interesting other information. So get it at bettersheets.co/Sheets Wrapped. You can get it absolutely free. This is absolutely free from BetterSheets. Go get it today. Go get it now. It's for members and non-members alike. You do not have to be a member of BetterSheets, but if you want to be, in BetterSheets, I go over 500 tutorials, a dozen courses, and I have a bunch of tools that help make Google Sheets better for you and make your life in Google Sheets better. So consider becoming a member if you're not a member yet. But Sheets Wrap, this is what you get. I'll show you my copy of it here. And what you're going to get, once you run the functions, by the way, these functions run completely on your own sheet. You copy the sheet, you make a copy of it in your Google Drive, and it runs completely in your own. Does not send any information to AI, does not send any data to me externally, doesn't send it externally anywhere. It's just going to analyze your drive. And also, it doesn't edit or delete any of your files. But this is what I got. I got my biggest sheet, which was create a freebie lead magnet with free data. It's 2.9 megabytes. I've created 427 sheets this year. I've edited 576. I have 125 viewers and editors of sheets that I've created. So this is actually a little weird because I share sheets, or I sell sheets and I share sheets a lot. But those sheets that I sell the most of, I created last year. So if I ran this last year, I have like over 1,000, or maybe actually more than 2,000. The first sheet I created of 2024 was a faceless YouTube channel study. I've been trying to work on YouTube a lot in 2024. And it also gives me 39 untitled sheets. So yeah, I have untitled sheets. I keep using sheet.new, the URL, to create a new sheet. So that's all my untitled sheets. And it gives me the days until next Christmas. This will actually update, by the way, after Christmas. So actually after the New Year. This is a really cool thing. It's using date diff, saying today, and then choosing the date, which is the 12th month, the 25th day of the 12th month of whatever year is now. So on the new year, it will turn into how many days until next Christmas. I think that's a really cool function if you're interested in learning something here in this really quick video about this freebie here. I think that's a really cool function. And also, if you're actually interested in automations and AppScript, you get this sheet and you can actually find out how it runs. You go up to extensions, AppScript, once it's in your Google Drive, and you're more than welcome to read the automations, read the script. I've added some comments here, and I've tried to walk you through a little bit, and I'm going to be adding to this as people ask me questions. So by the way, members have the ability to ask me anything. If you get an email from me and you're like, what is this? You can always email me back and be like, hey, I have this question about this. So reading through this, if you're a member, and you're like, hey, what does this do, or how does this really work? Like, it gets a little confusing around this part. Let me know, and I'll go in and add more comments, and I'll answer your questions about it. And if you're really wondering how to automate your Google Sheets, I have both in my membership, I have courses called Spreadsheet Automation 101 and Integrate AI into your sheets. But also, I sell these courses on Udemy. So you can go and get them standalone on Udemy. Actually, if you scroll down to the bottom, there's a link to the Udemy courses or the courses on BetterSheets. Feel free to go and get them and use them and really learn how to automate your sheets and make really cool app scripts like this very quickly. I hope you enjoy Sheets Wrap. Is for 2024. Enjoy it. Love it. If you hate it, let me know. If you love it, let me know. Take a screenshot, tweet it. I'm happy to retweet if you tag me on Twitter at Kamphy, K-A-M-P-H-E-Y. And I hope your 2025 is way, 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 way better, and your sheets are better in 2025. Bye. Happy holidays.